Hi, it's Darnell with NuWave Recipes. Today, I'm going to be grilling up some hot dogs, some brats, even some buns on the NuWave Primo Grill Oven. So you can see how to do some grilling of some good old-fashioned favorites right now. Alright, so here I've got some Hebrew National Jumbo hot dogs. Nobody's paid me to say anything about any of these products. I've got some Johnsonville Bratwurst. Got myself some hot dog buns. I got myself some buttery spread. And so basically to start, before I put the hot dogs and brats onto the NuWave Primo Grill Oven, what I'm going to do, I'm going to take some of this buttery spread. I'm just going to prep my bread before I do anything else. And what I do, I just put some buttery spread all over both sides of my hot dog buns just to cover them. So that's what I'm doing here now. Alright, as I flip these over and do the other side, I know some of you are saying, why is he buttering the hot dog buns? This helps when I grill them, helps give them a real nice flavor, real nice sear. And it keeps them a little moist also. So they get a nice searing, but stay moist. You'll see what I'm saying when I cook these up. Alright, so we got the hot dog buns buttered up. Now what I'm going to do, I'm just going to take some hot dogs and bratwurst. I'm going to take about 3 of each and put them directly on the grill plate of the NuWave Primo Grill Oven. So I'm going to do that now. Alright, I'm just making sure that I have them nicely spaced there, but I've got 3 hot dogs, 3 brats. I like those jumbo sized hot dogs a lot. And those brats are good too. But basically what I do, I put the lid on the NuWave Primo Grill Oven. I have done this both using the probe to do a probe cook and doing time. And I've just found that I prefer doing the I prefer doing the time cook when doing things like hot dogs and brats, because with the probe, this thin meat, it's probes are just not as reliable on thinner meat. Although it works, and I've done it. I prefer the time method doing these hot dogs and brats. I've done it both ways, like I said. So turn the NuWave Primo Grill Oven on up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. I'm going to set my cooking time down to 10 minutes. I'm going to hit start, and we'll let those cook. Alright, 6 minutes have passed. I'm going to pause and get that lid off. I'm just going to try and turn things around. Alright, put that lid back on. I'm going to hit start again, let cook continue. Alright, we're coming down to the final seconds at 10 minutes. And I'm going to hit on off there. Let's have a look at what we got there. Looks kind of nice. Alright, I'm going to temperature test the hot dog. We're over 140s. We want hot dogs over 140. Some of them are, well, that one's like 190. Well, now it's reading like 160s. So our hot dogs are nicely done. They're all over 140. So at this point I'm going to pull the hot dogs, put those over here on a plate, and I'm going to take the buns, I'm going to stick them onto the grill plate, slide those brats over just a touch, get some butter off my hand before I touch the grill plate, the grill dome again. Now this is basically, do this, you go up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, you want to already have a preheated grill plate when you're doing your buns, and I take it down to like 4 minutes. What I'm actually going to do, I'm just going to cook this side of the buns for about 2 minutes, flip them, and you don't even need 2 minutes on the opposite side, it's maybe 90 seconds on the opposite side. I just let the brats continue to cook with them. So we'll just let these buns get heated up and let those brats get heated up a little more. Alright, 2 minutes passed, gonna pause, get the lid off, and test those brats. I'll say I like my brats Even though 165 is the like safe temp for brats, I like to go well over that. So we're at 174, 175. We're in the 170s. All these brats are done. Alright, so the brats are done. So we're going to take these hot brats, put them over here on the plate. You can see they have a nice searing on them. See that there? Alright, so now I'm just going to take the buns, going to flip them. You see they got some nice sear marks. Get the dome back on. Hit start. Just going to give them about 90 seconds. But basically you can see with your hot dogs, 10 minutes. Flip them after the first 6 minutes. Your bratwurst, 12 minutes. Flip them after the first 6 minutes. Your buns, you can do those for, you can put it for 4 minutes, but basically flip them after 2 and then give them 90 seconds on that opposite side. Once this gets down to 30 seconds, we'll just stop things and get those out of there. Alright, we're coming down to our last 5 seconds because we only want 90 seconds. Just gonna pause it there and turn it off. Get the dome off. And I'll just let you see the opposite side there. You see they're nicely grilled on both sides. So we've got some nicely grilled brats, hot dogs, as well as grilled buns. Alright, so now what I'm going to do, I'm going to get the bun for the brat open, and I'm going to grab actually some cheese to put inside of these. Alright, also got myself a little mustard. I am going to use some condiments in this particular taste testing. I'm going to take, and this is a Haverty cheese that I'm using. Open up these buns, and they were very moist, very soft. I'm going to just split this cheese that I use for the hot dog because I'm actually going to split one of these huge hot dogs. They obviously are too large to fit into a bun hole, so I'm just going to basically cut this one in half and going to put half of it into one bun and half of it into another bun. I'll take a bratwurst and I'll put it over in this one. We can put it over and let you see that more seared side there, that bratwurst there. Alright, now I'm going to, sorry about the extra noise there, but I'm going to take my mustard here and going to put it on the hot dog and the brat. I like mustard on mine. You can tell me in a comment what you like to put on yours. So let's see. I think we got it all done. We're just going to basically get the camera moved around. We'll do some taste testing of bratwurst, hot dogs, all grilled from the NuWave Primo. Alright, so hot dogs, bratwurst, all grilled indoors. Even if it rains, you can have some grilled hot dogs, bratwurst, and hot dog buns. Nice and easy. So I'm going to take this hot dog here. Whoops. Oh, made a little mess, but that's okay. And take this hot dog here, do a taste test of it. Now we got the brat. Telling you, those bratwursts are so good. I mean, grilled up like that. Hot dogs are always good, but those bratwursts, especially good if you're someone who likes bratwurst. Definitely got to try out some bratwurst on your NuWave Primo. And so basically, this is how you do your indoor grilling. Hot dogs, bratwurst, hot dog buns. You can do it all up, and it's real convenient and easy. Nice electric grill, uses conduction, convection, infrared, direct heat. It's great stuff. Definitely a big fan of the Primo. So basically you can leave your comments, tell me what you think. Also, you can find this and other recipes at superwaveovenrecipes.com. If you ever want to come to this YouTube channel, just use waveovenrecipes.com, Twitter and Instagram, Wave Oven Recipes. If you ever want to listen to the podcast, you can just ask your smart speaker, play the latest Wave Oven Recipes podcast. Or you can go to anchor.fm/waveovenrecipes for that. Also, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, share the video with your friends, subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, and good eating.